Welcome to Turning Point. This video is on diary entry and our today's topic is an unforgettable rainy day. Dear Diary, today turned out to be one of the most unforgettable days of my life. Early in the morning, the sky suddenly grew dark as thick clouds covered the sun. Soon, heavy rain began to fall, hitting rooftops and filling the streets with water. The air felt cool and fresh, carrying the pleasant, earthly smell of rain. Because of the heavy rainfall, schools were closed. I stayed at home and enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere created by the rain. Sitting near the window with a hot cup of tea, I watched children outside laughing and playing in muddy water. The sound of rain and laughter created a calm and comforting mood, and time seemed to pass slowly. Later, when the rain became lighter, I couldn't resist going outside. I got completely drenched, but it was worth it. I ran through puddles, splashed water, and laughed freely without any worries. By evening, the rain finally stopped, and the sky looked clean and beautiful. Everything felt fresh and calm. This rainy day reminded me that happiness can be found in small moments. I will always remember how joyful and refreshing this day was. This is the end of our today's topic, an unforgettable rainy day. Do you have any such special experience close to your heart? Share your story in the comment section below. Thank you very much.